Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert blank page in Publisher before page 1. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher. Now we want to insert blank page in before the first page. Firstly, write anything to make sure the first page. Then go to the insert menu and click the page drop down menu, and we can see here the insert page option. Then we click it. Then check mark on the before current page. Then click OK. Now we can see we insert a page before page 1 very easily. You can apply another page. Go to the first page and again go to the insert menu. Then apply the same process. Now we can see we inserted a blank page before page 1 very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.